In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Bookings tutorial. Get started in minutes. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Bookings. You can access it directly from Outlook on the web or select it from the app launcher in office.com. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar in the launcher and look for bookings. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account so your calendars and permissions line up correctly. Once you're in, create your booking page. Give your business or team a clear, recognizable name, add a short description that sets expectations, and upload a simple logo for a professional look. Set your business hours carefully, including your time zone. These hours act as the baseline for when customers can book, so match them to your real availability. If you observe holidays or have unique hours on certain days, update those now so you won't be surprised later. Next, set up your services. Think of services as appointment types like consultations, demos, or follow-ups. For each service, define the duration, optional pricing, and buffer times before or after the meeting to prevent back-to-back overload. Include a description that tells customers what to prepare and what's included. You can also decide whether the service automatically creates an online meeting and choose whether customers can select a specific staff member or be assigned automatically. Now, manage staff and availability. Add the colleagues who will take appointments and confirm their working hours and time zones. You can allow bookings to pull from their Outlook calendars, so existing meetings block availability automatically. This helps prevent double booking and keeps everything in sync. If a staff member has part-time hours or specific days off, reflect that here, so the booking page only shows real openings. With services and staff in place, configure the booking page experience. Customize the appearance with your logo and color accents to match your brand. Then fine-tune scheduling policies like minimum lead time before someone can book, how far in advance appointments can be made, and your cancellation or rescheduling window. Decide who can access the page, keep it open to the public for external customers, or restrict it to people in your organization if it's internal only. Consider enabling email notifications so both your team and your customers receive confirmations and reminders. When you're ready, save your changes and publish the page. Bookings will generate a public URL you can share in emails, on your website, or in your email signature. Test the link once to make sure everything looks right from a customer's perspective, and you're set. In just a few minutes, you've created a polished, self-serve scheduling system with Microsoft Bookings.